This is Dr. Amol Naneshwar Podgantwar, Head of the Computer Engineering and Information Technology Departments of Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center. Computer Engineering Department is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, approved by All India Technical Educations and Director of Technical Education Mumbai, Government of Maharashtra. Computer Engineering Department is established in 2008 with the intake of 120 and postgraduate course, that is the ME Master in Engineering, was established in 2013. Information Technology Department was established in 2008 with the intake of 16. Coming to the faculty, that Computer Engineering departments have a highly motivated, experienced and dedicated faculty members. Total 32 faculty members are available for the UG programs. Out of that, 4 faculty members have PhD in Computer Science and Engineering. Most of the faculty members are doing their PhD in well-reputed universities as well as from the foreign universities also. As far as the Information Technology departments are concerned, the total 12 faculty members are there. Out of that, few faculty members are doing their PhD in well-reputed university. Coming to the infrastructure of our department, that we have a well-equipped state-of-art laboratories in computer engineering departments. Total 12 laboratories are there dedicated for the UG programs, that is Bachelor of Engineering, affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University. And overall, if we look into the infrastructures available for the development of the students are concerned, we have a highly equipped and latest softwares are available in the computer engineering department laboratory, so that the students can work for doing the innovative projects like the artificial intelligence, data science, Internet of Things. All these state-of-art laboratories facilities are available in the departments. And for the postgraduate programs, the 2 laboratories are dedicated for doing the research as well as for the various practical approaches. Our faculty members used to provide the hands-on training to the students, so that the students will be in a position to work in the industry as per their expectations. One of the important USP of our department is that all the laboratories are technically sponsored by the top-notch industries like the Zensar, NVIDIA USA, ESDS Software Solution Private Limited, Nashik. The main aim to have the collaboration with the software industry is to give the platform to the students and bridge the gap between the industry and the institutes. The main objective of providing such type of the opportunity is to involve the students for the project-based learning, so that students will be in a position to understand what exactly the recent developments are there in the software industries are concerned. Another important vertical of our department is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi, aim to provide the center of excellence in the technical educations. So, by considering the various credentials by the NBA, the student performance, the academic result, placements, entrepreneurships, all these parameters, that we found that our students have done an excellent job, and based on it, our department is accredited by the National Board of Accreditations. As well as our institute is accredited by the NAAC with the A grade based on the performance of the students and as well as the faculty members. Our faculty members have motivated the students to inculcate their entrepreneurship culture among them. By the innovations and entrepreneurship development cell, we motivated our students for doing their startup as well as the entrepreneurships. We provide them the angel investors, then how to go for the startups, then how to pitch the idea from the markets, and all these facilities are available in the IEDC sales. And we motivated our students to go for the entrepreneurship, not for just giving the absorbing the job, but they should acquire some people and they can give the job to the student also. And based on that, our departments have 12 startups registered till date. As far as the placements are concerned, as we know that the placements are a major concern in any engineering educations, we are committed to provide the placement to all the students. So initially, that we used to identify the students who are really interested for the placements, those who are interested for the entrepreneurships and for the higher education. Based on their choice and based on their interest, that we used to identify the students, and then we groom them so that they can get the proper placement, proper guidance for the entrepreneurships, and proper guidance for the higher education. So these three verticals that we have initially identified, and from the second year itself that we used to groom the student so that they can acquire what they are exactly dream for getting after the graduation. So as far as the placements are concerned, that we used to give the training to the students as far as the technical skills are concerned as well as the soft skills are concerned. From the second year onwards, that we used to provide training to the student so that students will be in a position to understand the expectation from the industry, and they can get the proper placement. So as far as the last 3 year placements are concerned, we are committed to provide the 100% placements, and we have achieved also. And as far as the entrepreneurships are concerned, that the 12 new startups have registered from the computer engineering departments, and every year most of the students are opted for the MS or the MTech opportunity. As far as the MTechs are concerned, we are provided the opportunities for the graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is the GATE examinations, which we know that it's a very national level importance examinations, so that the students can appear for the GATE examinations and they can crack the GATE examinations. So we have our GATE club in our departments, and we provide them the proper opportunity as well as the guidance so that they can appear for the GATE examinations and they qualified the GATE examinations. In this way, that we provide the overall platforms for the development of the students, and in all the three verticals our students are given the great, I can say, the exposures, and they have gained the various opportunity which we have provided to them also. Now moving to the another important vertical of our department, that we used to provide them the value addition programs and the global certification to the students. We believe that academic and the industry, these both are different verticals, but to bridge the gap between the academic and the industry, that we need to provide them the proper skill based module. So based on this, the value addition activity and the global certifications are also provided to the student, so that the students are quite aware of the academic which is provided by the curriculum of the Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the global certifications which will value add them for getting the good quality placement also. Another important point that we believe, that the tutor mentoring schemes is available in our departments. We are committed to provide the 20 students for one tutor will be provided for the 20 students, and based on the various activity, in a fortnight we used to conduct the tutor meeting for the students, and for their personal or the technical problem, that our faculty members used to guide them properly, so that if they have any sort of the issues, that can be resolved and that can be solved, and we can allow them to reach to the dream which they have identified before taking the admission to the engineering college. As I have initially mentioned, that our faculty members are highly motivated and dedicated. So faculty members are actively involved in the research and consultancy works, so that the research cultures can be inculcated to the student also. So the faculty members have demonstrated the various research articles in the reputed international journal. Many faculty members have written books in the international publisher also, as well as our departments have filed the patents as well as the copyright, so that the culture of the research and consultancy can be provided to the students by the faculty members. So we believe that if the faculty members grow, then parallelly the student can also grow. In this way, I found that it is really one of the great platforms available for the students, so that they can grow in a very intangible manners, and overall development of the students, as well as it can be definitely allowed to provide the proper we can say the technical solution to the society and for the nation building. With this, I found that the computer engineering department is one of the well-known departments, and the state-of-art facilities available in the departments. It will definitely give the good platform to the emerging students who are really want to do their career in the computer engineering. So it is one of the best platforms. So this is what the base informations of our computer engineering department.